to you?
I can get it.
Get it? Let me hold your basket.
Oh, Aaron, took all the fun out of it.
So I can just put it
Okay.
in there. See that one right there?
Oh, good. All right, that's 12. You got 10 more to find.
Whose rope are you climbing down? Is that Uncle John's rope? The ladder? Oh, you're going to go for the rope, huh?
Indiana Jones style.
Oh!
There you go.
Okay.
Okay.